A tiny house with a very minimal size of 2.2 meters and 4.7 meters has the potential to be low budget in terms of construction costs. This is realized in this design by the minimal bending in this tiny house, namely with regular rectangular shape and proportional and simple door and window openings. The roof material with a metal roof slopes on one side like this and is quite sloping but is able to distribute rainwater runoff towards the front because the width is quite minimal, only 2.2 meters, so it is not too long for rainwater distribution. The room arrangement is quite simple with the bathroom position at the far left, the pantry in the middle, and the multifunctional sofa on the far right adjacent to the dining table or minibar table at the same time. In general, this tiny house can actually only be inhabited by one person because if there is more than one person, it would be uncomfortable and too crowded. The pantry arrangement tends to be simple and elongated with the kitchen sink position adjacent to the bathroom area on the left, while the kitchen table on the right side has empty space which allows for a portable stove for cooking. The sofa is in the rightmost position and is multifunctional. It can be used for sitting and relaxing. It can also be used as a bed for just one person. Sofa area adjacent to a multifunctional bar table. This bar table is quite multifunctional, but the interesting thing here is that this bar table also maximizes the outdoor space as a place for chairs, so that the indoor area is not too narrow with bar chairs. The main principle of a low-budget tiny house is the size of the tiny house itself, then also the number of residents. The fewer number of residents, the more basic needs in a tiny house will also be minimal and of course has the potential to save costs for building a tiny house. But on the other hand, if the number of residents increase, of course the basic needs of the residents will become more complex, which will certainly require more cost in building the tiny house itself. Hopefully, this video is useful for all of us. See you in the next video.